friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and today I'm going to make a little lantern to take camping or a little night light to put inside the camper in your bedroom. This is a fun craft for kids to make, and in fact I had my 3 grandchildren over on the weekend, before the weekend, because they were going to be going camping, and we actually made 3 of them to take. So I didn't video them doing it, so I'm going to record how we made one. I have a little mason jar, and this is all from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to use the mason jar, and we're going to use the little solar light that we're just going to take off and use the top part. We're going to need some little beads. These are glass gems, and you can get different colors, and we're going to be sticking those on around this little plastic jar. And I bought some Rapid Grip from the Dollar Tree, some glue, Rapid Grip multi-purpose glue, and I'm going to give that a try. The ones we did on the weekend with the children, we used hot glue, and so the hot glue held on the ones we did on the weekend, but now they were done on glass. This is a plastic, and I wondered if this might work better, but I tried one and I held it for quite some time and it just slid right off. So I'm setting that aside and I'm going back to my hot glue gun. So what we're going to do then is we're just going to glue these beads, glass beads, around just with a little dollop of glue, and set them on and just hold it for a minute, and that's what it's going to look like. And we'll have lots of glue strings, but we're going to glue all the way around and all the way up, however far you want, for our design for our little lantern. So here it is so far, and I've got the beads, or the gems, glued on. Now, I was running low on gems, so I went back to my stash and I found that I had little nautical decorations that I had picked up from the dollar store. These are the nautical pins. They've got the little clothespin on the back. So I just took the back side of the clothespin off, and I glued on 2 little seahorses. One was the tan color and one was the blue color. And then I also glued on 1 little starfish. So there we have it. And I think that just added a cute little touch. So you can put on there whatever you like to decorate it. So I also had taken my little solar light outside to charge it up a little bit, and I'll continue to do that before I fully attach it to my jar. Now also, I took the burlap ribbon, and I just took a little bit of the ribbon, and I glued it around the top of my jar. So now when I set in my solar light on top, that'll be finished around the top of the jar. So all I have left to do is to make a little hanger, and I haven't decided if I wanted to use the ribbon for my little hanger to carry it, or if I want to use some of this jute cord, which I might do. And if I do, I'm going to take 3 long strands and I'm going to braid them together to make it stronger, and then I'll glue that down on top for our little hanger. Because when we're done, we can either hang this on a tree outside our campground, or we can use it, like I had said earlier, as a night light in your room, or just on your picnic table in the evening, just to cast off a nice little light. And I think that's going to be cute. So I'll be back. So I decided to take 3 pieces of the twine and I tied a knot in the top. And I'm going to take a piece of masking tape and I'm just going to tape that down on my mat down here. And I'm just going to take the 3 strands and braid these together. And that's going to make my hanger. So then it'll be stronger, I think, to carry around my little night light or my solar lantern, whatever you want to call it or use it for. So I'll continue braiding this to the bottom, then I'll tie a knot again in the bottom, and then we'll attach it to our jar. So there it is with our little hanger on. And now, just for a little extra secure, I'm going to put another piece of this jute rope around just to hold it where I have glued it down, the rope part down onto the sides, just to give it a little more security there. So I'm just going to glue this extra piece right around over the top part of my jar again. So that's what it'll look like. So here's the little jar, all finished now with the handle. Now you could make this handle a little bit longer if you like, depending, I guess, where you're going to use it. And now the little solar light will just sit in there, and you can also glue that all around the top part here and then just set that in so that it stays put. But then there you have your little light for camping outside, sitting on your table or hanging on a little branch on the tree. I think it turned out really cute. So if this is something that you'd like to try with your children or your grandchildren, it's just a fun little project. Doesn't take long, but just be careful of using hot glue though with little ones. So if you try this, or if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. That helps my page to grow. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know why not. It's free, so please do. Share with your friends. And until next time, thanks for watching, and always remember to be kind. Bye now.